OpenClaw versus NanoClaw. Which one should you use? Choosing the right claw can completely change how you manage your tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Both options offer unique features that cater to different needs. OpenClaw and NanoClaw are two powerful tools designed for task management. The core difference lies in their approach. OpenClaw focuses on comprehensive project management, while NanoClaw emphasizes simplicity and quick task handling for everyday use. OpenClaw is a robust task management tool that integrates various features for project planning, collaboration, and tracking progress. It allows users to create detailed project timelines, assign tasks to team members, and monitor deadlines effectively. The strength of OpenClaw lies in its versatility. It's ideal for teams working on complex projects that require constant communication and updates. However, its extensive features can be overwhelming for individual users or small teams looking for a straightforward solution. OpenClaw is best suited for project managers and teams who need a comprehensive system to manage multiple tasks and projects efficiently. NanoClaw is designed for users who prefer a more streamlined approach to task management. It offers a minimalist interface that allows individuals to quickly create and manage tasks without unnecessary complexity. With features such as reminders, priority settings, and simple categorization, NanoClaw is perfect for users who want to stay organized without getting bogged down by excessive features. Its strength lies in its ease of use, making it ideal for students, freelancers, and anyone needing a straightforward task management solution. However, it may lack the advanced project management features that larger teams require. NanoClaw is best for users looking for efficiency and simplicity in their daily task management. When comparing OpenClaw and NanoClaw, consider your specific needs. OpenClaw excels in managing complex projects with multiple collaborators, making it ideal for teams that need detailed oversight and communication. In contrast, NanoClaw is perfect for individuals or small teams who prioritize simplicity and speed. For example, if you're managing a large project with deadlines and team members, OpenClaw provides the tools necessary to keep everything organized. However, if you're a student managing daily assignments or a freelancer tracking tasks, NanoClaw's straightforward design will help you stay focused without distractions. Ultimately, the choice comes down to whether you need depth or simplicity in your task management. For comprehensive project management, OpenClaw is the clear choice. Its extensive features cater to teams and complex projects effectively. If you prefer simplicity and speed, NanoClaw is the way to go. It offers a user-friendly experience, perfect for managing everyday tasks efficiently. Choose the tool that aligns best with your workflow to enhance productivity.